All right, now to start, you will need 4 pounds of russet potatoes and one whole onion. You might not need the whole onion, but we will need a cup of chopped onion. Now I'm gonna go ahead and chop this up just a little bit because I want to give you guys a little tip. You want to dice them up in little cubes like this right here because it's easy to purify. And go ahead and add all 4 pounds of your potatoes to your pot and your cup of onions as well. And next, we're going to throw in our 32 ounces of chicken stock. And if you want to make your own, I have that link down there in the description, but feel free to buy some if you choose to. But this I'm using, I did make myself. And next, we're going to throw in 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix that in well before we set this to cook. You can cook it on low for 8 hours or high for 4 hours. I will be cooking mine on low for the 8 hours. Slow and low, baby. Now while that is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and cook up 8 ounces of bacon. We're going to make this bacon nice and crispy so we can break it up into our potato soup. All right, we got about 30 minutes left on our potatoes. Go ahead and drain the grease from your bacon. Feel free to clean it if you like, but I'm not going to clean mine. We're going to keep that while we make our roux. We're going to add a half a stick of butter that equals our 1/4 cup of butter that we actually need. We're going to melt this all down, scraping all that good old bacon juices and things from the bottom before we start adding our flour. Once butter is melted, we're going to start adding our flour in about a half a teaspoon at a time, just so it don't clump up or anything, and we'll make sure everything is getting evenly mixed. And we're going to continue doing this till we come out with a golden brown before we add our next ingredient. This is the light golden brown that I'm looking for, so let's start adding in our 2 cups of milk. We're going to pour this in slowly so we don't cool our pan off too quickly. And once everything come up to temp here, we're going to add in our 1/4 cup of sour cream. Now we're going to cook this and keep whisking this until this is nice and thick like a gravy. But we're not going to cook it dark to a gravy. We're just going to make sure it's nice and thick. This is the thickness that I'm looking for. You can go thicker if you like. But next we're going to add in 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. We're just going to whisk this in until it's all has dissolved. Okay, our potatoes are done. Let's go ahead and purify it with our immersion blender, or you can use a masher if you like, but this blender right here is going to really purify and give it that consistency that we're looking for in the potato soup. This right here is what we're looking for, guys. Yes, perfect, perfect. And guys, I started shredding my own cheese, but I must tell y'all, always shred your own cheese. We're going to shred up 1 cup of cheddar cheese. You can do a half a cup if you like. I'm going for the whole cup because I like mine with that great cheesy taste. Okay, let's start adding in our ingredients. But before you add them all in, we're going to break the bacon up first, but leave some on the side and leave some cheese on the side because we're going to garnish the top of this and make it look very inviting. You're going to go ahead and mix 7 ounces of the bacon inside your potato soup. Go ahead and mix your cheese into your potato soup, but save yourself about a teaspoon of cheese for the garnish. Next, we're going to slowly mix in our roux. We're going to cook this for about another hour on low or 30 minutes on high. Now, folks, this is optional. I'm going to also put some green onions in mine, and I'm going to garnish it with some green onions as well. I love me some green onion taste on baked potato, anything potatoes. All right, folks, we're like through here. Cover and let this sit for about 10 minutes. Let that green onion flavor flow through this potato soup. Then I'll be back to show you this garnish. And look at that. Isn't that a beauty? That is so inviting. That is a perfect potato soup.
Hey, what's up YouTube? Thanks for stopping by my channel. Hit that like button, leave me a comment. I drop videos once a week. So hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a thing. Thanks for watching. Yeah, you know what to do.